Imagine a city to start with as a travelogue. I believe that pilots today have an experience of cities of our urban world that's unlike any other in history. We see so many cities from above where they look so beautiful at night or as the sun is rising, and then we land and we explore those cities and we come back to them again and again and again throughout our careers, and we learn about them in a way which is really unique and special, and I wanted to share that through Imagine a City. Imagine a City is also a memoir. It's about the city that I grew up in Western Massachusetts, and what it means to think back to that small hometown as I'm flying to and walking through some of the largest cities in the world. That's a really tough question to ask a pilot. Cape Town has been a very special place to me. I think anyone who goes there would find it hard not to fall in love with it. The scenery is amazing, the water, the sea, the food is great, the weather is lovely, and there's a ton of art and history there to explore. Delhi is another city I've come to know through some friends who live there who've given me advice on what to see and how to get to know it a little better. And the scale of Delhi is just extraordinary, both in space and in time. It's such an ancient city, and I could go there again and again. But the city that means the most to me is probably Tokyo. It's the largest city that's ever existed. 37 million people live there. That's about as many as live in Canada or all of California. There are thousands of neighborhoods to explore. There's an amazing transport system. The people are kind and very helpful. And I've learned a little bit of Japanese. It's a work in progress. And every time I go there, I think, wow, this one city is a world unto itself. Well, my first tip is probably what you'd expect a pilot to say, which is to go find a view over the city. Now, there's a lot of skyscrapers going up all over the world, and many of them have observation decks. But a lot of cities, of course, have hills or mountains from which you can get a good sense of how a city lies on its land and its water, how the neighborhoods look out. I'd love to climb a hill like in Montreal or Hong Kong, and look on a map and compare what I can see with my own eyes from that peak with what is on my map, and it's a great way to get a sense of where you are. The other tip I would offer is, on your flight to your next destination, ask your crew what they recommend, because one of the reasons I wrote Imagine a City is I wanted to share the unique knowledge that we get as crew members with our customers. And we go to cities again and again. That's the premise of Imagine a City, and it's one of the ways in which as crew we can connect with our customers by sharing what we've learned as we explore the world again and again.